Jack buys houses in Nassau and Suffolk County, New York. We specialize in buying homes for cash, providing a stress-free and fast-selling process. Homeowners can sell their properties as is without repairs or realtor fees. The process involves a simple three-step method. Submit a form, receive an offer, and choose a closing date. This service is available nationwide, catering to homeowners facing various challenges and seeking a quick resolution. Fast cash offers. Get a cash offer quickly without waiting for financing. No repairs needed, sell your home as is regardless of condition. No realtor fees. Avoid commissions and additional selling costs. Local investors. Connect with cash buyers familiar with your market. Stress-free process, simplified three-step method to sell your home. Nationwide coverage. Services available across all 50 states. Flexible closing dates. Choose a date that suits your schedule. One speed of sale. Cash transactions close faster than traditional sales, often within days, providing sellers with quick financial relief. 2. Market knowledge. Local investors have an in-depth understanding of their market, which can lead to better cash offers and smoother transactions. 3. Elimination of stress. The process is designed to alleviate the common stressors associated with selling a home, making it easier for sellers to focus on their lives. 4. No hidden costs. By removing realtor commissions and closing costs, sellers can maximize their cash proceeds from the sale. 5. Versatile solutions, ideal for homeowners in various situations, including financial difficulties, damaged properties, or those needing to relocate quickly. 6. No obligations. Sellers are under no pressure to accept the cash offer, allowing them to make informed decisions without haste. Comprehensive support. Jack Buys Houses assists with all aspects of the sale, including repairs and cleaning, ensuring a hassle-free experience. 866-543-8496